In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote a YouTube video with Google Ads. By the end, you'll have your Google Ads account pointed to the right place so your YouTube content is ready for promotion and accurate tracking. First, head to your Google Ads account. Open your browser, go to the Google Ads homepage and sign in. Make sure you're in the correct account if you manage more than one. A quick way to confirm is to check the account name and ID in the top right. If you don't have admin access, I'll say you to ask an account owner to grant you the right permissions before continuing. That ensures you can make the changes we're about to cover. Next, click the Tools icon at the top, the one that looks like a wrench labeled Tools and Settings. This menu is where all the important setup and measurement features live. If your window is narrow and you can't see the labels, expand your browser or hover to reveal the full menu. It's normal for some accounts to display slightly different sections depending on your access level, but the Tools and Settings area is consistent across accounts. From there, choose Data Manager. Data Manager is your hub for connecting data sources to Google Ads, which is essential for linking your YouTube presence to your ad account. If you don't immediately see Data Manager, use the search bar at the top of Google Ads and type Data Manager to jump straight to it. Occasionally, the layout may place Data Manager under different headings, but it's still accessible from the Tools menu. Inside Data Manager, select YouTube. This section is designed to connect your Google Ads account with your YouTube channel so you can run video campaigns and see performance data in one place. Selecting YouTube identifies it as a data source and opens the options you'll use to align your channel with your ads. Follow the on-screen guidance that appears here and keep your channel details handy so you can confirm you're connecting the right one. If your Google login already has access to the channel, you'll typically see it available. If not, you'll be prompted to request access from the channel owner. Once YouTube is selected, give the system a moment to update. You may see a status indicator confirming that the source is recognized. If something doesn't appear right away, refresh your page and check again a bit later. It's also helpful to note the name and status of the connection so you can find it quickly next time. That's all you need to prepare your account. You went to Google Ads, opened the Tools menu, entered Data Manager, and selected YouTube so your channel is ready for promotion. In upcoming steps, you can build your video campaigns with confidence, knowing the foundation is set.